Assalamu alaikum students, we have the model paper PBA of grade 9 chemistry. Question 1 is, which of the following apparatus can be used in this experiment to prepare the 100 centimeter cube of 0.01 m NaOH solution from the 10.6 grams per decimeter cube NaOH solution. So we are given the grams of NaOH per decimeter cube, and this is the list of the glassware we will be using in this experiment for the dilution of the solution. And you are advised to show full working in all the parts of calculations. Calculate the molarity M1 of 10.6 grams per decimeter cube NaOH. So we are given the mass in grams of NaOH, and from mass in grams we can find out its number of moles, and molar mass of NaOH, we can add the atomic mass of all the atoms: 23 atomic mass of sodium, 16 of oxygen, 1 of hydrogen. So this will add up to 40 gram molar mass of NaOH. And the number of grams per decimeter cube, how many mass of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 centimeter cube or 1 decimeter cube, that is 10.6 gram. So we can calculate its number of moles. So its moles is equal to 10.6 divided by 40. So this will come to, when you calculate, this will come to 0.265. So the molarity M1 of the given solution is 0.265. By using your answer from part A, calculate the volume V1 of NaOH used to prepare the 100 centimeter cube of 0.01 m solution. This is the dilution of the solution, and this is the equation. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1 is the stock solution and M2V2 is the desired solution. So M1, the molarity of the stock which we have calculated, that is 0.265, and V1 we will calculate the volume of the stock which we don't know. We will calculate is equal to M2, that is the molarity of the desired, that is this 0.01 m, 0.01 into volume of the desired 100 into V2 value is 100. So V1 is equal to 0.01 into 100 divided by 0.265. So V1 is equal to, when we calculate, this comes to 3.77. So it can be almost, we can make it to the round figure, 3.8 centimeter cube. So V1, that is the volume of the stock, it is 3.8 centimeter cube. Now we move back Which apparatus we are going to use to dilute this solution, to make this solution? We will be using beaker. We will be using this pipette E. We will be using the C, that is the burette, and obviously we will be using this volumetric flask to make the solutions of known concentration. We will take the stock solution in this beaker, and with the help of this pipette we will take the little amount of NaOH solution from the stock, and we will add this solution in this burette, because on the burette the smaller divisions are of 0.1 centimeter cube. That is, it can measure the volume to the nearest 0.1 centimeter cube, and we have to measure the volume 3.8 centimeter cube, 3.8 centimeter cube. So if it gets extra, we can open this knob and we can drop the extra NaOH solution here in the beaker, and then if 3.8 centimeter cube we will measure, and we will put in this volumetric flask, and we will add the distilled water, and we will make the volume up to the mark, and that would be the 100 centimeter cube of the solution. So here we have section B of the model PBA by Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. Here we have to select the correct option, encircle the correct option. MCQs are given in this section. Following figure demonstrate the conductivity of different given solutions. Which figure contain non-electrolytic solution? So A, B, C, these three figures are given. If you see the original paper from the net, because I have the photocopy, in that you see that the bulb B and C, they are lighted up, they are bright, and the A bulb is not lighted up, and we see that in A there is no movement of the ions, and in B and C movement of ions. So B and C are the electrolytes and A is non-electrolyte. And this is another apparatus. This is the apparatus for sublimation. Sublimation is the process when the solid is directly converted to gas on heating. It has this inverted funnel and the evaporating dish in which some solid is being heated. The given figure demonstrates the sublimation process. Which one of the following can be separated by this apparatus? So we have the list of different solids, and we have to take out the one that sublimes. The three don't sublime, but the one sublimes. So NaCl, glucose, and potassium sulfate, they do not sublime. Ammonium chloride sublime. So C is the correct answer. Again, this is the apparatus, and you are asked, the apparatus is used for the determination of melting point, boiling point, solubility, heat of reaction. So this apparatus has the capillary tube, and it has the stirrer. And this one is the liquid, and this is liquid in the beaker. So this apparatus is the apparatus to measure the boiling point. I have closed this. My camera got dim. So the two liquids are there. So this liquid is in the fusion tube. So this is for measuring the boiling point. This is last question. 2 gram of iron and the sulfur, they are mixed and they are being heated. And there is a plug of wool so that the vapors of this mixtures, they do not go out. And the question is, this apparatus is used for the preparation of a binary compound. Which one of the compound is formed? Binary compound is the compound that is made up of 2 elements. So we have 2 elements over here, the sulfur and iron. So sulfur and iron mix and they form the iron sulfide. Now we see that what is the correct formula of iron sulfide from this list. So B is the correct answer, FeS. That is the correct formula for iron sulfide, FeS. So B is the correct option.